Alright, in order to get the trans off, I need to get some of these. Oh, crap. Alright, let's get some of these off. Grab some needle nose pliers. Take off the connectors. These are all zip tied back. Let's get this one off. Hopefully I don't break this one. Being an old car, these things are all dry and brittle. You don't want to pull too hard. This thing probably just snapped right off like the other one. Kind of hard doing it with one hand as well. I'm gonna put this down, I'll be right back. Well, tried to get that one off and it just popped right off like the other one. Gotta be really careful with these things. All right, well, should be able to pull off. I'm gonna put this on a tripod. Now that it's on a tripod and I got two hands, it'll feel a little bit easier clearing some of this stuff off. Just want to get it to where I can get the, I don't really want to take everything off, just want to be able to get the trans off and get the stuff that's on the trans. And that should be, yep, that looks like everything. I just need to get the bolts to get the trans off. You get a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch will unbolt all the trans to the engine bolts. We'll do that in a time lapse.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
And just so you can see, we got 2 bolts on this side. We got a bolt here and a bolt up top, a bolt down bottom. Then you would think there'd be another bolt right in here because it had one right there, but it doesn't. It goes all the way over, and then you have the 2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and then one more on the bottom there. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And should be able to pull off from here. Let's put this on the tripod. slowly. There we go. There's the trans and engine off. Whew. That took a little while. Throwout bearing needs to be replaced, or slave cylinder needs to be replaced. Gonna get a new one of those. Gonna get a new clutch also. I don't know, hard to say. Gotta open it up before I can tell. All right, let's figure how to get this on an engine stand. So I'm cutting off some of the zip ties that they did, and I'm tying them more up to the front because I'm not ready. I'm trying to get the back cleared up so I can get a get the clutch taken off. Got a whole heap of wires. I don't have I plan on going wiring specialties, and I don't have the wiring harness yet, so no reason to take them off now. I don't want to forget. I'm just trying to tie them up out of the way at the moment. Just do enough to keep it out of the way. I'm really not sure how much I plan on doing. I plan on changing the oil pump, that's for sure, but I don't know if I'm going to be changing anything else as far as like cam or anything like that. I mean, I might as well just leave it like it is for now, and then determine if I need more power or anything like that. All right, let's turn this over and get the clutch out. These are halves also. Might not be too bad. No, not too bad. 13 seems all right. Breaker bar is so much easier. Just that extra leverage. Go. And actually, it's not too bad. I don't really see any hot spots. I see a lot of grip on there. It's not so bad, but probably gonna get a new clutch anyways. Now I'm working on trying to get the flywheel off. I have a, is it a 15 in the breaker bar. I'll put it up and I'll hold it snug. Now just take the hammer and try to break it loose. It's gonna want to spin, so just trying to get it to break loose so I can get it off like that, and then I'll spin. And then I'm going to mark the flywheel with some paint and the crankshaft, just so I put it back on the same place, just in case there's any balancing issues. I don't want to mess up the balancing. There we go. Alright, those are all coming off, so I'll get some paint and mark it with my finger, and then I'll get the flywheel off and then get it on the stand. Alright.
Let's begin now.
What's up, guys? It's a couple days later and my battery ran out, so I couldn't get the footage of me mounting it on the engine stand, but here it is. It's actually pretty clean. I plan on taking all the accessories off, changing the front main seal, the oil pump, probably get a Millen 10296, the high flow oil pump. I'm gonna change the rear main seal, get all this wiring off, probably get the coil packs off, probably take the heads off, I'm thinking, and check the pistons. It has 131,000 miles. So I figure I'll check the pistons, make sure those are okay. Get new head gaskets. You can see it's kind of dirty up here. Probably get, yeah, I'll definitely do the rear main seal. But the pull looks very clean. I mean, nothing was broken, no sensors were broken, all the wiring, everything like that. And one thing that I'm happy about, this drain plug, I've seen on a couple videos, or the dipstick, where the dipstick comes down, and in this one, it comes down to right here in the oil pan. It comes down through here in the oil pan. I've seen some engines where they have them right in the starter area, and that has to be plugged. And I am super happy I don't have to plug that. That's just one less thing I got to do. Probably go with the Siki 240 kit, and I'm thinking getting new, well, I'll get a new slave cylinder, new clutch. I will probably change the trunnions on these rocker arms, because I've heard those are bad. And I think that is pretty much it. If anybody else has any ideas of what they would do as some additional maintenance on an engine before it gets put in, let me know. But this is going to be, I'm super excited. This is going to be a whole series, getting this engine in and running in the car, and it's just going to be bonkers after that. All right, well, that's my LS1. Super excited. I can't wait. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And for more videos, I got the suspension, the other parts of suspension coming up. Probably a couple other things, some seats and stuff like that I got. Tomei 2A, and then this whole beast of a build right here. Well, take it easy, man.